huddled up with the bird. Here come Mist. Look at that bird. Hey, Mist! All right, here we go. It's Wednesday. About to feed these ladies, and Mr. Nice and hot today. Hey, Mister. Hold on, Mister. Just hold on with your little self. This ain't for you, Mister. Hey, Goldie. Goldie's gonna shield everybody from me and keep me safe, aren't you, Gold Lady? She said yes. All right, y'all, come on. Come and get them. Come on, Froo Froo. Let's get them, Froo Froo lady. There you go, Goldie. Goldie, I got you on ball now over here. Hey, Goldie, come on. Goldie, come on. Hey, Mister. Come on, Goldie. Goldie. I'm gonna have to show her the bowl. All right, Mister, come on in. Goldie. Goldie. Come on. Come on, Goldie. Come on. I got you some. Come on. No, that's not what I was meaning. Come on, Goldie. Come on. Goldie, come on. Goldie. She said, I don't believe you're gonna give me anything. Come on. Come on, Goldie. Come on in here. Come on, Goldie. Goldie, come on. Boy, you got some flies on you. Come on, lady. Come on. Come on. Come on, Goldie. Goldie, I did this just for you, honey. Goldie, come on. Come on, Goldie. Okay, come on. Come on in here. Come on, Goldie. Well, I tried to do something for her special. Goldie, come on. Goldie. I'm making good on my promise. I said I was going to give you some special. Come on. Come on, let's go. Mister trying to tear up my equipment here. Mister. Watch out now. It's Mister right here. Mister. Yeah, he knocked over my camera. Sure did. Look at me with some flies. They on my legs. I guess they think I'm a cow. Whew. Look at Goldie. She could have had her own little bowl. She didn't. She wasn't budging. She wasn't interested, I guess, Mister. Almost done here. All right. Okay, Mister. All right, here we go, Mister. Yeah. Whew. Heat. No wind. No breeze, no wind. Heat. Humidity. That bird gone to the bathroom on top of Mister. I'm gonna brush him a little bit when I get done. Kind of clean him up. You just get out here and you stand for 5 minutes and you're sweating. Wasn't able to get in early today. So, all right, Mister. Hey, Mister. Let me get you good over here, okay? Here you go. Mister. Yeah. Mister. That feel good. All right, you did good, Mister. All right. Come on, Mister. Whew. Okay, Mister. You ready? Come on, Mister. Go, Mister. How y'all doing? Come on, Mister. Look at Mister. Yeah, you're a good boy. You did good. You did real nice. Thank you. Hey, ladies, what y'all doing? Some of them just kind of scared. I'm gonna try this. Hey, Froo Froo, come here. Put her in here. I don't know how this is gonna work. Froo Froo, come here. Goldie didn't want it. Come on. I'm gonna put it right here. right, Froo Froo lady. Now, Goldie, I had it for you. I hope she don't try to come in here. Come on, Froo Froo lady. You've never done this before, and I don't know. Watch out, Froo Froo. Back it up, lady. Back it up, lady. Come on over here. Come on. Come on. Come on, Froo Froo. Froo Froo, come in here. Froo Froo. Back up, lady. There you go. Back up. Back up. Good. Just as long as nobody else comes in here. Come on, Froo Froo. Come on in here. She said, I don't know what you mean. Come over here, Froo Froo. Come over here. Come over here. Good. Come over here. Come on in. Come on. Go on over to your bowl. Go to see that bowl. Good. Look at this Froo Froo lady. I'm going to stay away from her, but give her a chance to eat that by herself. Look at that Froo Froo lady. Hey, Froo Froo. I'm going to brush you a little bit. Let's see if we can do this, but this different here. Give her a little special time here. I'm going to brush you a little bit. Ooh, man, they just getting down, ain't they? I'm trying to help her with these horseflies, but I also don't want them jumping on me. I got bit by, or stung from one of those red wasps, and boy, on my finger. It felt like it was on fire. All right, get off of her now, but don't get on me. Okay. That's a Froo Froo lady. That is the Froo Froo lady right there. There we go. Miss Froo Froo lady. Yeah, I was going to give that to Goldie, but Goldie was not interested. I think she might have wanted it after she finished over in the trough, but I guess she thought the trough looked too good, so. All right, Miss Froo Froo, you ready to go back with her friends? You did good, lady. Thank you. That's real sweet. All right, come on, let's go. Uh-oh, there goes part of my microphone. Come on, lady. There you go. You did real good. Yeah, she said, I don't know about that. I ain't never been able to do that. You got so much on your face. She's a little cow. She did real good. All right. Part of my microphone, the little fuzzy part. But she didn't know what to think about that. She ate just about all of it. I'll put it over here in case any of them want to get it. It's just a little bit left, not much. All right. All right, there we go.